Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and the 2020 TVs have finally started showing up, and the first one we've got for you here is the Sony X800H series. We're going to unbox this one for you, show you the accessories that come with it, and then go through some of the menus so you can see some of the presets that come built into the TV, and then I'll kind of give you my initial impressions of the X800H. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this unboxing montage. So we've got the TV all set up. As you can see, we kind of went quickly through the setup menu. It's very similar to what we've seen on TVs of the past from Sony. It does have Android O baked in, so that's nice. It is very snappy to run through everything, which was kind of good to experience. And this new remote control does have a nice feel in the hand. It's a lot thinner than the ones you would have gotten on that 800 series in the past. So that was nice to see also. And a couple other quick things. This one, because it's a 55-inch one, has X-balanced speakers. The 800H in lower trims, so the 49 and the 43, aren't going to have the X-balanced speakers, and this one's also direct lit. It's not local dimming, unfortunately, but it is direct lit, so it is actually a little bit deeper than the models that are slightly smaller than it, but 55 and up are going to have that direct lit and those X-balanced speakers. So a couple nice things that we're seeing on this particular model here. And then we'll cut in here so we can show you what picture settings and what motion settings it comes set up with from the factory as well. For example, when you're in the menu here, you can go to picture. It comes preset on the standard mode. You do have options for vivid as well as cinema, game, graphics, photo, and custom. Now, if you go down to motion, it comes already set. So you have custom. You can't really change any of these settings unless you're actually watching a picture. So if we go into YouTube, I've just got one of our videos up here, so we'll pause that. And then if you go back into settings, you'll see that this limits some. So now we still have vivid, we have standard, but now it goes to just cinema and custom from here. So you can set it back on standard. And then if you go down to motion, now instead of not being able to do anything, you can actually control this. So you can turn it to custom, you can turn it to off, which is what I would recommend doing. But then you also have smooth, but then you can also, from here, we'll turn it off for now, you can go and set the smoothness, assuming you, let's see, set it to custom, so we can adjust the smoothness here, and then we can adjust the clearness as well, but I'm going to leave these turned off for now. So those are some of your presets. You just have to make sure that you have a picture up on the screen so you can actually go in and explore those different options. So that's kind of what we're showing in this part of the video here. So the colors on this really are quite nice. We left all the settings as they were, so it's still on the standard picture mode. Motion settings are still set as they were from the factory. You're getting a really, really nice picture on this TV. And even with those motion settings set as they were, now this, for example, doesn't have a ton of motion on it, but it still looks really good. Doesn't seem to be much soap opera effect on this particular video that we're watching. But we will have more of that in the review when we do the full review on this TV. All right, so that's kind of a quick first look unboxing of the new Sony X800H series television. Make sure you stay tuned though, because like I mentioned, we are gonna do a full review on this one as well, so you get a better idea of what this TV is capable of. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you get the update as soon as we post that new video. And stay tuned because we're gonna have a lot more videos coming up. Thanks as always for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.